Hi everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm Paris's mom. She's in room 16, Susan's classroom. So, Paris, say hi.
Hi, I am Paris and I'm from Susan class from room 16.
I'm so glad to be with you for this year's gardening class. So, let's start. Last week, I believe you have already prepared your container or pot. Yes. So, this class, we will do another activity to collect our gardening supplies. So before I tell you what I get prepared, so I want you to think about what do you need for our gardening? The tools. Yes, here is the tools list. Here, I want to pause for maybe 10 seconds for the video and then think about what you want to prepare or what do you think we need in the gardening, okay? Paris, do you have any idea that what do you need in the garden?
Sprayer.
Okay, that's the spray bottle. The spray bottle is to give the plant water. So this one is very clean, it's a new one. So you can use it directly. But if you need a old, yeah, if you need a old spray bottle, so to be sure that it is the non-toxic and rinse it very well, very clean. And for this part,
Or
it
else
is
maybe there will be some things that plants plants enemies. If you spray it in the plants, they might die.
oh yes, the chemicals things, yeah, inside the old water spray bottle. So the other thing you need to clean very well is for this part is the spray valves. So yeah, to be sure it is very clean and health, okay? And then the other thing you can use is to use this kind of bottle. But to be sure, as it's better that for the cap is as wide as it can, and you can drill some holes on that, and then in that case you you can use it to pour the water directly. And
that's in case if you don't have one of these.
yeah, so if you have the water can, that's better. But if you don't have it, that you can use the spray bottle and or use this kind of DIY thing, water kind.
Or if you bought in this juice, you can save some and open.
And the other thing is the shovel. This is the school size, I think, the shovel we used. And if you don't have this thing, you can use this old spoon. But you can, I want to, maybe you can find the largest old spoon. If you don't want to use it anymore, then you can use it to dig in your container, dig the soil. That's a good one. And maybe this plastic one that used, or maybe the forks, old forks, that works. Yeah, forks. Okay, and the sticks. So Paris, do you know what this sticks for?
Yes, you write things on it, but not just anything like names or book. That word, you after you plant the seeds in it, you have to write it, and you can put it in the sand to remember where did you plant the seed and what is the seed.
Yeah, so you write down the seed's name, the plant's name on this by using the Sharpie, and then you place it beside your seed. So that lets you know, let you remember what did you plant. But be sure to use the Sharpie unwashable pen because if you use the marker when it rains,
It will
then
wash it away.
yeah, it will wash away. And the other things I think I want to prepare is a journal, gardener journal. And you can use a A4 paper or any plain paper, then fold it, and you can cut it through this line. So our journal may be this size. And then later, maybe we can write some gardener journal in this paper book, okay?
Well, first you have to stable it.
Yeah. First, you have to stable it. Thank you, Paris. Okay, let's check what else in the list. I think we need the gloves if you work in the heavy-duty gardening. So I think you might need this. But if it is very okay and welcome to use your hands, finger, touch the soil directly to feel it. And
If
yes.
you're okay with washing your hands again.
Yeah, and if you work outside in the garden, and like today's sun's very strong, so you might need a hat to protect your face, your skin. So the last but not least, I want you prepare like this kind of bottle, a tree, or cardboard tree. Cardboard tree. What is for? This is to put all the things together. Very organized with a shovel and gloves and the water bottle together. So that is your own toolbox, the gardener box. Okay? So if you have this that's ready, please take a photo and share it through the seesaw. Thank you.
So that is a summer like Vera's video that you have a gardening pot.
Okay, thanks for today's video and see you. Bye bye.